Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Can you send money to Nigeria with Revolut? I know that a lot of people are looking for ways to send money to Nigeria, and Revolut is a great option. But before you start using it, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Revolut? How does Revolut work? What are the fees for sending money to Nigeria with Revolut? What are the limits for sending money to Nigeria with Revolut? What are the alternatives to Revolut for sending money to Nigeria? I hope this video helps you decide if Revolut is the right option for you. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and currency exchange. It was founded in 2015 and is headquartered in London, United Kingdom. Revolut has a number of features that make it a popular choice for people who want to send money internationally. These features include low fees. Revolut charges low fees for sending money internationally. Fast transfers. Money transfers are typically completed within a few minutes. Easy to use. The Revolut app is easy to use and intuitive. Available in many countries, Revolut is available in over 40 countries around the world. How does Revolut work? To send money to Nigeria with Revolut, you will need to create an account and add the Nigerian Naira (NGN) currency. Once you have done this, you can simply select the NGN currency and enter the amount of money you want to send. Revolut will then convert the money into Nigerian Naira and send it to the recipient's bank account. The recipient will receive the money within a few minutes. What are the fees for sending money to Nigeria with Revolut? The fees for sending money to Nigeria with Revolut vary depending on the amount of money you are sending. For amounts up to £5,000, the fee is 0.5%. For amounts over £5,000, the fee is 1%. In addition to the fee, there may also be a currency conversion fee. This fee is charged by Revolut when you convert your money from one currency to another. What are the limits for sending money to Nigeria with Revolut? The maximum amount of money you can send to Nigeria with Revolut in a single transaction is £10,000. However, you can send up to £50,000 in a single day. What are the alternatives to Revolut for sending money to Nigeria? There are a number of other options for sending money to Nigeria. Some of the most popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, TransferWise, WorldRemit. Each of these options has its own advantages and disadvantages. It is important to compare the fees and exchange rates of each option before choosing the best one for you. Revolut is a great option for sending money to Nigeria. It is fast, easy to use, and has low fees. However, it is important to be aware of the limits and fees before you start using it. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to send money to Nigeria with Revolut. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you are interested in learning more about Revolut, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.